Excel Church. Maybe you've joined us here in the last 6 months. Well, we'd love to invite you to join our new person Zoom call on the evening of Thursday the 27th of July. It's just a space where you can find out a bit more of what's going on at church, and you can meet other people online as well who are also new like you. So why not speak to a member of the team, sign up online if you can, and come along on Thursday the 27th of July. Ladies, this one's for you on the 22nd of July from 5 p.m. till 7 p.m. We've got the next Devoted Ladies event where we can come together and share testimonies and stories of what God's been doing in our lives. So make sure you join in for that. It's completely free to come along to, but we do require you to sign up so we know about numbers. So sign up online and we'll see you at that next event. The Summer Club 2023 is happening, and guess what the theme is? At the seaside. Now obviously we're not at the seaside, but you can imagine there's going to be sunshine, sand, all of it. But friends, it's so exciting because Summer Club has been running here for over 20 years, and it's been a time where people have invested their time, their resources, their gifts, skills into this week to make it special for kids during the summer, and we want to do the same this year. So if you want to volunteer, why not speak to Dan, get in touch with one of our team. We'd love to get you involved this year, and we'd love you to mark these dates, the 1st to the 4th of August this summer for the Kids Club. It's happening, so put it in your diaries, get ready, come volunteer if you can, and we'll see you at the seaside. Don't forget that this week is Connect Group, so make sure that you connect with yours because it will be the last one before the summer break. So guys, if you ask me, get a social in if you can, get some food, get some cake, do whatever you want. Talk to your Connect Group leader about that. But have a good summer social and go out with a bang, as they say. So guys, that's all for Excel News. Have a great week.